There is an account that can actually boost your credit score when you apply for it, and that account is called Rental Karma. Now, they're able to report your rent to the credit bureaus, and it's going to be an installment account. And getting this reported to the credit bureaus can actually increase your credit score, and they're able to actually report your back rent. So that is really good. Now, let me show you all this Rental Karma account because I really like that they are able to report your rent. Like, that's what you guys want. You want to make sure you find accounts that can report to the credit bureaus. And if you guys were to the point where you're trying to find points anywhere, like I tell you guys how to ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. If you guys get to the point where you're trying to find points everywhere, a good place is right here with Rental Karma. And then Rental Karma at this time, I'm not sure what they're going to have when you look, but at this time they have it where you guys can report all past rent for $50. And then it's saying the average score increase is 40 points. I tell a lot of people about Rental Karma. So if you're renting, let them go ahead and report to the credit bureaus for you. Go ahead and change your life up. And it could just be a method for you guys to just get an extra 15 to 40 points or whatever it is. It's average 40. So some people may get more than that. So make sure you guys check out Rental Karma. And then I have a code if you guys want to use it. Just make sure you use Rickita 25, Rickita 25, and then when you guys do that, you guys are going to get a discount. So definitely check them out. That you get like $25 off, but double check to see exactly how much you get. But definitely check them out, and that can help you guys, especially if you want to have more accounts reporting